In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add video subtitles or captions on YouTube videos using your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you'd like to go ahead and accompany your videos with subtitles, for instance, I have this video, but if I play it, you see we don't have subtitles.
By 25%.
However, I like to go ahead and accompany subtitles on it. To do so, it is quite simple. Head over to this sign with CC or double C and then click on it. And once you click on it, you can see subtitles have been turned on and they are in English. And now if I go ahead and play, you can see
by 2070. People are not having enough.
Now subtitles have been turned on. Alternatively, if you can't see this CC icon, just head over to this settings icon here on your video and then tap on it. And down here, you'll see captions. Tap on captions. You can see the captions are turned off. So to turn them on, just go ahead and tap on English auto generate here. And you can see subtitles have been turned on. Now, if I go ahead and play.
Elon Musk has predicted the death of Greece and the country has decided to.
Now look at that, the subtitles have been turned on. Should you want to turn them off, go ahead and tap on the CC again to turn them off, or you can also turn them off using settings and then turn off option here. And with that, they'll be turned off. So that's how you can add video subtitles on YouTube videos using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.